How to change background in Telegram. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your Telegram application on your device. After that, you will be able to see the home page of Telegram. So in order to change the background, you need to first select the contact or the chat of the person in which you want to change the background. After selecting, you'll be opened up to the inbox of the person. So you have to tap on the three dotted vertical line in the right upper corner and you will see the set wallpaper option. Simply tap on that and you can see there is a various theme of the chat. It's in dark mode, but if you want in light mode, then you can simply tap on brightness or the sun-like option in the top of the themes. And from over here there's a theme for light mode. But moreover, if you want to choose the wallpaper from gallery, then you can go for this option in the button. And from over here you can select the background that you want to set over here, and after doing that you'll be able to change background in Telegram. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.